Hello YouTube, this is me, ATheCashman. Today I will be unboxing a vinyl version of the Forever Michael, which was brand new. I opened it up and it came with a sticker on it. It got a voucher to download the MP3 version of this album. Motown 50 logo, back to black. And here is the vinyl cover. This is the front. Here's the back. The first side of the vinyl includes these songs. Second. And let me take out the vinyl, give me 1 second. Okay, so inside we got the voucher to download the MP3, and here we have the vinyl itself. The other side. And here it has the Motown logo. Now let me take out the vinyl. Give me 1 second again. Okay, so here we have the vinyl. That's the first side of the vinyl. There you have the serial number right there. It got a map of, got Detroit on it with a star. And the second side, it's over here. Same thing. So that's the unboxing. If you could please subscribe, comment, and rate. I will be making more videos. I'm just waiting for the packages to arrive. Once I get them, I will upload the videos to this channel. Alright guys, bye. And also thank you for watching. Bye.